Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, January 25th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's breakfast is a muffin, string cheese, yogurt, juice of choice, and fruit of choice. Today's lunch, Santa Fe soup, romaine, tomatoes, carrots, corn chips, and juice of choice and fruit choice. Today's weather, high 58, low of 38, partly cloudy, and a low % chance of rain. Today's birthday is Rayleigh Jones. Uniforms. To remind you of our uniform policy, outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. Jackets and sweatshirts should be a solid color, gray, blue, or black. Hoodies are not a solid approved uniform option. Please make sure students are wearing solid color sweatshirts or jackets in compliance with the uniform policy. Students, the ACAP will take place in a few weeks. This is our time to get into testing mode and practice to do our best. ACAP Bootcamp and literacy tutoring will begin on February 7th. Teachers, if you are interested in tutoring, please let me know. This tutoring session will be 2 days a week for 5 weeks. Please make sure you are on your duty spot each day at the designated time each morning and or evening. Today's light duty is Ms. Barnes. January 26th, wellness screening. January 27th, honor walk. January 30th, faculty meeting. February 2nd, ACAP science refresher virtual meeting. February 3rd, PACE 3rd grade field trip. February 7th, tutoring begins. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, Michael Green science machine will come. February 17th through 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures. We still need questions of the day, so you can submit those in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.